Do I need my battery electric vehicle tires checked? All tires degrade over time, depending on factors like weather, storage conditions, and driving habits. So just like with non-electric vehicles, you can't forget the basics, like tire rotation and air pressure. Tire rotation means moving tires to different positions in order to help ensure even wear. Tire rotation helps get you the most life from your tires, helps maintain traction, and in the long run, can help save you money. Not rotating your tires may also affect your tire manufacturer's warranty. We recommend rotating tires at least once per year, or as recommended by the manufacturer or service technician. Regular rotations are key, especially with electric vehicles, because the high torque capability may create wear issues. Underinflation is the most common cause of tire failure. It may also reduce battery range and can increase road noise, which is more noticeable in a BEV. A tire can lose up to half of its air pressure and not appear to be flat. Use the recommended cold inflation pressure for optimum tire performance and wear. Now, let's talk rolling resistance. Rolling resistance is the energy required to keep a tire rolling. The better shape your tires are in, the better they roll along the road surface. In a BEV, lower rolling resistance means a higher driving range. Additionally, BEVs are heavier than gas-powered vehicles because of their large battery, placing additional load demands on tires. In general, we recommend tires be replaced after 6 years, regardless of tread wear. With BEV tires, technology is changing by the day, so we recommend speaking to your local Ford service technician to help guide your decisions. Call your local Ford service to schedule an appointment with our Ford trained technicians. At Ford Service, every part counts.